So let's sum up everything about this mascara. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a mascara review, and if you follow me or a subscriber to my channel, you know how much I love like mascara reviews. So this will be a mascara review about Maybelline mascara. It's this one from Maybelline. It's the Falsies Lash Lift mascara. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So let's go and talk about this mascara and tell you what I think about it. Before we start this video, if you like this makeup and my earrings, I have a DIY for these earrings and I have a full makeup tutorial for this makeup. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you want to go and see them. So let's jump into this video. So the first thing, as usual, we're gonna talk about the packaging and how it looks like. So as you can see, it's really like a very rounded thing, just like a pen or something. It's completely like silver all over, but it has like this purple like label all over, and the name is just right here. Okay, so this is the mascara. The packaging, it's not something fancy for me. I love the mascara if it's a really good one. I really love to have like has like really nice shape, like feminine and nice color, kind of vibrant one and all this stuff. But this one is so plain and it's like all silver, so it's not the best thing, so it's normal. So yeah, I don't like it, like, but anyway. Now jumping into the mascara itself, and the second thing is the brush. And yeah, and as you can see, hope you can see, okay, this is the brush, and as you can see, it's just like having two palms and the middle part is a little bit like lower. So the shape of the brush is really good. Actually, the brush is a normal brush, it's not silicone for me. If you watch my reviews, mascara reviews, you know I love silicone brushes, but this one, it's not silicone. But in the same time, the shape of the brush and the length of the bristle itself, it's a bit short, not too long, and the size of the brush is convenient for my eye because I have a small eye. So the brush itself is really good. The size, the shape, everything, the bristle is not harsh on my eyes, so I really love the brush. Even it's not silicone, but everything about it is so good, so I give it a thumb up. Now for the material or the mascara itself, the material is very soft, it's very black, it's dark, very dark, so that's really nice. I love black mascaras, very dark black mascaras, and it's very soft, glides on the lashes very nicely, but it's not too like intense. Like, I love when I apply from the first coat. I love the mascara like to cover my lashes and make it like say hello from the first coat. So when I apply the second coat, it just like give you the false lash effect. That's what I love about mascara. This one is kind of a normal mascara, so it's not like from the first coat. It doesn't give you a very nice coverage or a very nice intense like lash as I love. So I don't know, it's from the material or from the brush itself, still don't know. I will know when I use the same brush with another mascara, but the brush is very good. Actually applies the product or the mascara itself on the lashes very nicely, but the it's not like, it's really normal. So if you have a very short kind of lashes, I guess this mascara will not for you. For me, it will give me kind of a nice and natural kind of like lashes from the first coat. I need to apply multiple coats. Like with this one, I can like go 3 layers, so I can have the massive lashes or the false lashes effect that I love. But with 2 coats, it's not like what like the other mascaras that I tried. So of course now I'm gonna leave you and like just see how my normal lash like compare first coat and 1 coat and 2 coat with my like bare lashes, so you can see the effect of this mascara and how it looks like on my eyes. So I'm like, you're gonna see it now. So for staying power, I tried this mascara. I wear it yesterday, to be honest, the whole day, and the mascara was like in its place. It doesn't move, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't do anything. Just smudge it a little bit when my eye began to water a lot because I was wearing my contact lens and I feel like there's something like a small stain in my eye, and my eye began to water a lot to try to get the stain out of my eye, and it was out and there's nowhere like to take my lens out and just fix everything. So actually my eyes did the job, but it smudges because it's not a waterproof. So if you have a lot of tears, it will smudge a bit, but after this, when I clean everything, it just does smudge a little bit in the inner corner. I cleaned it and like it was like the same. For this eye, no tears, it was just the same, no smudging underneath my eye, stays on just like I applied it now. So it's the staying power on this one is massive, so thumb up. For the Panda Eyes, it doesn't do Panda Eyes. It doesn't leave any residue on your eyes. It's just like after 2 washes, very nice wash because I have 2 coats from this mascara on. After 2 wash, like cleaning my eyes gently, it was completely removed. No Panda Eyes, no residue like underneath my eyes, which is very good. So my eyes was clean and nice and beautiful. I guess using the clean sponge will really help to remove everything from the first wash. So this one is really nice. No Panda Eyes, no residue. So of course, thumb up. So let's sum up everything about this mascara. For the packaging, no, I don't like it. It's okay, but I don't like it. For the brush, thumb up. It's really good, really convenient for my eye. For the material itself, it's really dark, really soft. For the effect, it's not that good, so no thumb up. For the staying power, thumb up. It's really amazing, stays on very nicely, no smudging and no Panda Eyes, no residue, thumb up. So this one, I guess maybe I will use it again, but it will not be my favorite. It's just like an everyday kind of like lash, like mascara. When I want to just add a little bit of length and like color to my lashes, because my lashes are like brown and gold, so like in bare lashes, as you saw, it's not that obvious actually, but I'm gonna apply just a small amount of mascara, just like adding a little bit of color. So if I want to go natural, I will go with this mascara because it doesn't add a lot of volume. So yeah, and maybe this one will be nice if I'm gonna build up different types of mascara to like have a massive lash effect. This one will be like a base coat, like the first coat with the base coat for applying another mascaras on. But for natural lashes, this one is good. If you have very short lashes, I don't recommend this one at all because it will not give you the volume and the length that you want. So yeah, for this one, it's natural lashes. My preference is massive lashes, so it's good and bad. I can say I hate it, I can say I like it. So yeah, this is my review about it anyway. So this is about this video. I really hope you like it and it was helpful. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.